and nicknamed it Big Daddy Longlegs. She gave me dome so long, I call her Conehead. You a send-off, you be taking orders, good burger, nigga. Old broke ass, pockets hurting, nigga. Is you fat or skinny, Buddy Sherman, nigga? I discourage niggas, then third a nigga. Klay Thompson got the Stephen Curry with him, that's a warrior with a 30 with him. Boy, this ain't a game, I ain't thorough, nigga. Get it rappers' heads like a turban, nigga. Make him feel a heat like a furnace, nigga. If I wave it at him like a current, nigga, then he catching bullets. Michael Irvin, nigga, win his magazine from this ratchet sing. Ain't no calories, I burn a nigga. Put your greasy ass in a fucking box, that's churches, nigga. I done murder niggas. If I'm lying, then God can come strike me down. When I come, I bring death, don't invite me out. Stay online talking shit till I sign them out. Had to check him, I took him to Nike Town. And these bitches, they wanna be wifey now. I just did nachos, that's 90,000. I be dripping, I know they don't like me now. Somebody please come and wipe me down. I'm on the edge, no baseline, with a hoodie on like Trayvon. I shorten up your lifespan, I don't waste time to come take time. Black 40 singing, that's Akon. I'm a real shooter, fuck James Bond. No screenshot, my gun flash, all headshots, that's FaceTime. Back to the green like Draymond, woo. But see me, I don't play no fucking games. You a goofy, a beaut for the fucking lame. Wanna ride on my dick for some fucking fame. Get sent off by your boss, that's a fucking shame. Even you know you not in my fucking lane. I pulled up on you nigga like Birdman, and you knew not to play with my fucking name. I know God gon' be real disappointed in me if I choose to come blow out your fucking brains. Do your pussy ass like I did what's his name. Take his ass out the fucking game. You a toy boy, you ain't got buzz, you ain't hard nigga, you a fake Woody. Cooking soft fast like some baked cookies, zip his body up like a baked putty. My lyrics dope, I got crack for the fiends. Thought he could see me, he's imagining things. Ain't got enough cash to come clash with a king. While you boys were sleeping, I mastered your dreams. I'm swagging, I'm saucing with fashion, I'm clean. I come through with some shit that you haven't seen. You gotta be sick, all you do is ride dick. Someone go get this pussy some vaginal cream. They call me Jabbar, got that shop in my jeans. Or Abdul Jabbar, cause I'm after Kareem. If he cross the line, then my bullets flying. I'll give him my 50 like he's Zach Levine. Boy, you just an actor that rap like I king. Don't make me come down like the wrestlers thing. Take L's like a night when I slide like I'm Bishop. I checkmate your king and then snatch up your queen. I'm about to blow like they passed me the green. Just got a new Gaddis, some Mac with a beam. I gauge a Fantasia when that ratchet sing. You wear with this pump when I speak gasoline. See when it come down to them bars, bitch, I got a whole bunch of lot of shit. You can pay for this knowledge with scholarships. Rap God giving hip hop is oxygen. They find it astonishing. Every line he spit prom like he optimist, shine like he polished himself. Had a grind to the top and shit. Bless these the best, he's like Jordan in '96. FGE, who he rockin' with? Record labels mad cause he ain't signing shit. I thank God that I don't want nobody shit. Flow with an old soul like a moccasin. Gon' tell Ye that I'm killing designer shit. I just bet hug the panda and bodied it. You irrelevant, you talk a lot of shit. You should write a book called How to Ride a Dick. Manny Fresh, I'll be on some big time and shit. Bitches hope I slide in with my hockey stick. My 40 got 30 inside of it. It got Mr. Miyagi's karate kick. I blast off, shoot you up like a rocket ship. Bullets bust in your face like you poppin' zits. With them guns he be clumsy, he dropping shit. Zip you up like a onesie, I'm poppin' shit. Montana, I'm the rap god. Every bar's cold, every line hot. Fire in the church, sorry for the wait. Had to put the panda in a pound box squat.
Feeling devilish, got their heads turning like exorcists. Heads that get severed like terrorists. Effortless, beat end up dead, I'm the specialist. Bread is a derelict, label me weirdo, Mr. Anti-Hero. Yes, cream is a zero degenerate. Never get out of his slump in the cloud of his blunts while he's down in the cup of his medicine. I only smoke on the best. Unholy ghost, I am death. Baptized and grown without holding my breath. Shit, I feel like the only one left.
Feel like I'm stunned by a killer bee. Combined with newer breeds, best friend and enemies. More head than Temper P. Dick, so your best bet is let it leave. Or she probably gon' leave with me. And if I shoot my shot, then she probably gon' go. Me and Cream plug like Tommy and Ghost. If I ain't at the crib, then I'm probably on road with your shorty on hold. And if I shoot my shot, then she probably gon' go. You was on fire, but you probably got cold. Spitting like a young DMX on coke with your ex on hold. Hold that.
Six, 1721 guns for my brethren come from with his young sons in the cemetery. Felt he had a stash of weapon, daddy had a Mac 11. Caught him rapping, did his stretching, he came back when I was 7. Thank God for my gang, for the scars when it rains. The drink up with the pain, made a call, it's on the way. My demons keep haunting me, prophecy keeping the broccoli up in the frontal leaf. Pardon me, they want no part of me, possibly cause I'm not on your wave. I'm barely on the beach, I am the loser, I have no future, walking with zombies, I am their ruler. They heard the rumors, we are not human, Zanny consumer, show up in Ubers. I told her I came from the dirt, Came over, left stains on his shirt. My soda go great with the perk. I don't need no plug, I came with the work. Revenge of the introvert. Evan is dead, witness his rebirth. Bass make a kitten purr, we are not similar. Me, I just fuck her, you live with her. Guess I'm just sinister.